Alright, so if anybody goes to replace these Y fittings, the hose connector that for your radiator, coolant into your water pump, a lot of the stuff I'm seeing is people are... Okay, so if anybody goes to replace one of these Y connectors for the radiator on a 07 through 13 GMC or Chevrolet pickup or anything, a lot of the stuff that I'm seeing is people are taking and cutting these off or replacing the whole lines. To get this one off, I managed to just squeeze this one hand, squeeze right there, and it kind of just breaks off. You can pull that right apart. You can just pull them right apart though. Hard to do one hand, but makes it a lot easier than trying to do all that other junk or cut these off.